Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw for you a beautiful stocking toys. All the kids love colorful stocking toys. So here I'm drawing different colors of stocking toys. Try to draw with me and learn about all the colors names. I draw the stocking toy. Here I draw 7 color rings. Let's color the toy. Here I am using brush pen color to color these beautiful toys. First one I am using yellow color. What is this, kids? This is yellow color. Second one I am using orange color. What is this? This is orange color. Now I am using the light green color. What is this? This is light green color. And this is I am using light blue color. This is called light blue color. Let's use the deep pink color. What is this? This is deep pink color. Now I am using the purple color. This is deep purple color. Here I am using the deep green color. This is called deep green color. And the last one I am using the red color. What is this? This is red color. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.